So I needed to get it out onto the driveway, so you'll see that video now. Basically what I want to do now is power wash it. Can't do that in the garage, but this thing has no brakes. I think it has a brake pedal, but I'm not sure beyond that. The steering wheel is connected by one bolt, and yeah, it's sketch, all kinds of sketch. So what I'm going to do is deflate the tires a fairly decent amount to give it less inclination to roll away from me. I've got 4 tire chocks and I got a new power washer, so I'm going to clean this thing out as best I possibly can so I can actually start working on it. Found a nest. I'm pretty sure what's living in there isn't living there anymore. That's going to be a challenge. I'll have to come at it another way. I'm pretty sure this is not what they meant by steering column wiring harness. Wire cutters. I won't be reusing any of this stuff. It's already been budgeted in to buy all new wiring. On my bug restoration, I tried to save a few $100 by doing the rewiring myself, buying raw supplies and taking care of it that way. Incredibly inefficient, very frustrating, not worth doing. I have learned from that mistake and I will not be repeating it. Shop vac time. Fresh air vent, completely blown out. Time to remove it. Still in good shape because it's plastic. This thing is toast. So there's a nest. I think it's just going to clog my shop vac. I'm just going to sweep it into my bucket. I figured out how to get a lot of the stuff out of the heater boxes. So, if we look up, so just so you can see where we're at. Nose, this is the stupid box they cut. This whole section here completely rotted out. But check it out. All right, I'm gonna get a hammer, beat the hell out of that, grab that crap out of there. Little bird, it's a little nest.
What's your glove?
I know. I'm glad I was gonna have to remove this crap anyway. The rest of it actually looks pretty nice. I hadn't planned on it. But I'm going to cut out large chunks of this crappy rusted firewall. I think it'll make it easier for me to do the cleaning that I need to do. Get out the grinder. Well, that was an accomplishment. I am happy about that. But let's go take a look at all the stuff that came out of the nose. Still more to remove. I'm going to be removing this whole chunk here. This square tubing. I've got a replacement panel here. I'm going to use some of this to replace parts of this. Got to get the rest of it off of the headlight bucket up here. But that's not for today. Now, these are both a little bit more cleaned out. So I'm going to sweep all this up and start the power washing.